That is one amazing car phone holder. The customers reported air conditioning not working. Also reported that they think it's the compressor that's failed. We won't take that for granted. We'll double check and make sure to do our own diagnosis. Still want to replace a £500 component. Only to find out there's something wrong with it. And we wouldn't charge the customer in that case. We'll diagnose it ourselves. Doesn't need a compressor. Booked in for a compressor, £600 worth of work authorised. I guess diagnosed by someone else. The power to the compressor, it works. Trace it all the way back. There's a broken wire. So, if we fix that broken wire, we'll save the customer £600 worth of aircon compressor. Very happy. Need to prove it, got to test it, fix it and test it, we get air conditioning back, that's it, save the customer £600. Marvellous.